The void above our heads is not empty. It is a dark ocean hiding leviathans. For millennia, humanity watched the stars, feeling safe in our isolation. We were wrong. Something has breached the sanctity of our solar system. Something that should not exist according to our understanding of the cosmos. They named it 3I Atlas. At first glance, astronomers categorized it as just another wanderer of ice and ancient rock. A simple comet visiting from the frozen edges of our own system. But look closer. The standard models do not fit. The data screams that this is an intruder. This object is not from here. It is an exocomet. A traveler born around a dying foreign star long before humanity walked the Earth. It is truly interstellar. Think of the immense distance to the Andromeda galaxy. Millions of light years of absolute nothingness. That is the scale we are dealing with. 3I Atlas is crossing that unimaginable void at enormous speeds. An absurd velocity that defies the gravitational capture of our sun. It is not here to stay. It is merely passing through our neighborhood on an endless journey. But speed is only the beginning of the mystery. Spectroscopic analysis suggests something terrifying to the trained eye. It is not just dirty ice and dust. There are heavy signatures, strong indications of a metallic composition, by a heart of iron or perhaps an alloy unknown to our periodic table. Look at the images of its coma, the cloud of gas surrounding the nucleus. It is highly irregular, misshapen. It does not conform to the physics of a melting snowball. And the colors, they do not burn like natural sublimation. They glow with distinct hues that uncomfortably remind us of high-energy thrusters. Then there is the impossible structure trailing behind it. The legendary anti-tail, a feature rarely seen and poorly understood. It seems to point towards the sun rather than away from it. Some theorize it is a mechanism. A deliberate design intended to cut through cosmic dust and solar winds, reducing drag, like a hyperdrive slicing through the fabric of space itself. Of course, the official agencies provide us with comfortable explanations. NASA reports what their sensors detect. They apply known physics to an unknown object. But we must remember a crucial truth. Observation is not understanding. Our science is based on what we know here on Earth. Out there, the rules may change. Their statements are the best guesses based on limited data. Absolute certainty is a luxury we do not have when dealing with the unprecedented. Soon we may have clearer answers. Around the month of April, our own planet is scheduled to pass directly through the wake left behind by this metallic traveler. We will sail through the debris field of 3I Atlas. What will we find in that trail? Will it be ancient alien dust, rare isotopes, or will we find something else entirely? We must consider the terrifying possibility, the theory that keeps open-minded astronomers awake at night. What if natural selection does not apply only to biology? What if it applies to civilizations across the stars? Look at the facts again. An object made of metal, moving at absurd speeds that defy gravity, with propulsor-like colors and a friction-cutting tail structure. That is not a rock. That sounds like a design. 3I Atlas might not be a celestial accident. It could be a scout, a probe sent from across the dark gulf of the cosmos by an intelligence vast and old. It is here to catalogue us, to map our defenses, to judge us, perhaps to prepare the way for what follows it in the dark. Keep watching the skies, because the darkness is staring back at us.